Getting out of a gaslighting situation can be challenging, as it often involves manipulation and emotional abuse. Here are some steps you can take to regain your sense of self and distance yourself from gaslighting. Recognize the signs of gaslighting. Educate yourself about the tactics and signs of gaslighting. This awareness will help you understand that the problem lies with the manipulator and not with you. Gaslighting tactics often involve denial, distortion of facts, undermining your perceptions, and making you question your own sanity or memory. Trust your instincts. Gaslighting aims to make you doubt your own judgment and intuition. Trust your gut feelings and listen to your instincts. If something doesn't feel right or you sense manipulation, it's essential to acknowledge and validate your own experiences and emotions. Build a support system. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or support groups who can provide validation, understanding, and emotional support. Share your experiences with them and discuss your concerns. Having a support system can help counteract the gaslighter's attempts to isolate you and validate your reality. Document incidents and seek evidence. Keep a record of incidents, conversations, and behaviors that make you feel gaslighted. This documentation can help you maintain clarity about what has occurred and provide evidence if necessary. Having tangible evidence may also help you regain your confidence and validate your experiences. Set and enforce boundaries. Establish clear boundaries with the gaslighter. Communicate your expectations and what you consider acceptable behavior. Be firm in enforcing these boundaries and be prepared to take action if they are consistently violated. This could mean limiting or cutting off contact with the gaslighter. Prioritize self-care. Gaslighting can take a toll on your emotional well-being. Focus on self-care activities that nurture your physical, mental, and emotional health. Engage in activities that bring you joy, practice mindfulness or meditation, exercise regularly, and seek activities that help you relax and recharge. Consider professional help. If the gaslighting has deeply affected your mental and emotional well-being, it can be beneficial to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide you with guidance, support, and strategies to help you navigate the effects of gaslighting, rebuild your self-esteem, and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Remember, leaving a gaslighting situation can be a gradual process, and it's important to prioritize your safety and well-being. Reach out to trusted individuals and professionals who can provide the necessary support as you regain control of your life.